Hola, I'm Flappy's mama, and I'm going to be doing some more animal sounds. Here is a coyote. Here is a squirrel. Here is a donkey. Okay, here's a catfish. They actually make that sound when you pull them out of the water. Here is a bullfrog. Okay, here is a bush-filled rain frog. They're also known as the cutest frogs in the universe. And here is a Colorado river toad. Okay, here are some bonus animals, like either they're mythical or you're gonna hear them from movies. Everyone knows this one. I cracked myself up. Okay, here is a Sasquatch. This is what they're reportedly supposed to sound like. Okay, next is Toothless the Dragon from How to Train Your Dragon. Alright, that's all for now. Bye!